Do you believe this? I made it out of scrap yarn. So, hi, my name is Monica and I'm going to show you how I make this crop top out of the scrap yarns. Okay, so this is the fit. I love it so much, and this is the back. And since I still have more scrap yarns, I made a headband out of it too. So gather all your scrap yarns and we're going to make this crop top. First, you're going to connect all the yarns and make it in a giant ball of yarn. And there is no special way of tying this. You're just gonna have to connect it and tie them normally, just like normal people do. So don't forget to cut off the excess yarns. Let's use a yarn winder to make a giant ball of yarn, and if you don't have any winder, you can always use the discarded tissue rolls and make the roll it manually. So this part is kind of therapeutic since you can see how the yarn changes color. Now let us start the pattern. So first, for round 1, you're gonna have to chain 21 and then skip the first chain and make 1 single crochet until you've reached the end of the chain. Now for the next round, turn your work and we're going to make a moss stitch. So first, make 1 single crochet in the first chain, chain 1, and then you're gonna skip this part, and then we're gonna make 1 single crochet on the third chain. So you're going to repeat this until you've reached the end of the chain. So this is the pattern on how you make a moss stitch. So kindly screenshot this one. Now when you've reached the end, you're gonna have to make sure that you end in 1 single crochet. I'm going to explain it to you later why it needs to end in 1 single crochet. And now for the next round, you're going to repeat this and make the moss stitch. So first, you're going to make 1 single crochet on the first chain. Okay, so you're going to repeat this one, but you have to make sure that in every ends of the round, you're going to end it with a single crochet regardless of what the pattern is. And now for the round 5, we're going to increase our stitches. So in the first stitch, you're going to make 2 single crochet and then follow up with the moss stitch. So that's first chain 1, skip, then 1 single crochet until you've reached the last part. So when you've reached the last chain, you're going to make 2 single crochet also to increase. So that is how we increase this part. So we're going to repeat this process until you've reached our desired length. So as you can see, the stitches should be increasing right now, and this is what your project should look like. I know it doesn't really that good right now, but trust the vision. So here we are right now after how many rounds. This is what it looks like now. It's kind of cute. I love how the colors seem to blend together, and I would really love to increase more, but try it on yourself to see if it actually fits, and if it does not, you can actually add more to your liking. So this is me right now adding more yarns to the crochet projects because I want it to be longer. And for just a moment, I would like to share with you how I hated this yarn color, the green one, but kind of neon, because I don't think I can think of any projects that would suit this color. But here we are, and it fits perfectly for these crochet projects. I love it so much. It gives such a vibrant color in this one. And then when you're okay with the length of your crochet project, cut the working yarn and you're going to fasten this one. So this is how I fasten it. Insert your end yarn like this and like this and pull it through. So that is how you fasten off. Then of course, cut the excess working yarn, or just insert it into the crochet project to hide it. I kinda see the vision now. So yeah, let's start making the chains or the straps. So you're going to insert your hook into the right top of the crochet project, then yarn over your yarn. Okay, so I'm using a brown acrylic yarn, and then you're going to chain 100 chains. You could add more if you think it would suit you, and if you're done with the length, you're going to cut the working yarn and pull through. So you're going to repeat this pattern of making a straps into the other part on the top left of the crochet project. Okay, so when you're done, this is what should look like. Then we're going to insert this at the bottom part of our crochet project. So you're just going to cross it like how you did your shoes, tying your shoes rather. Then you're going to insert the end part of the straps onto the bottom part of the crochet project. So we're going to use our crochet hook. Do this also on the other side. Make sure that the straps are aligned also. And then just to secure, going to make another one. Repeat it again for the same part. And yup, we're done making a halter crop top out of scrap yarns. Okay, so thank you for watching on this video. I hope you like this, and see you on the next one.